Big Bulabinaka, warm welcome to you. Those of you tuning in live stream in the game between Drua and Highlanders. As we can see, what a tough and what a crucial game as we are witnessing this afternoon. We're going to say hello to this fella here. We know this fella. Bulabinaka, introduce yourself.
My name is Napoleon Mbalaga. I'm from the beautiful island Nassau.
Wow. So I have a few questions for you, sir.
Okay.
On the quarter game, why didn't you pass the ball when you were about to score?
I didn't pass the ball because my girlfriend was sitting there.
Look at him. Second question. Why did you side the linesman? Side.
I side the linesman because his book was so nice to me.
Okay. What's the first thing you do after the game? You go to the pool, or you blanket yourself, or you warm down?
Before the game.
After the game.
After the game. You know what I do after the game?
What?
I go and swim in the ocean.
What a shock. Yeah. Did you miss your girlfriend while in Australia? This is a tough question, man. Oh. Did you or did you not?
I just cried.
Don't cry, please. Let me hold your tears. Yes or no?
I really miss.
Okay. If you are tired, don't tire. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Napoleon Ratu from the ground here in AFZ Stadium as we're witnessing. What a wonderful game.